I've got to move this drain somewhere over here because my foundations run here. Dig a huge hole, 1.2 metre hole, and then connect it up to the drain over here. Easy peasy. Not even at the full depth yet. Keeps any rubble from getting into the drain, blocking it. Two-thirds in 2.5 hours.
Okay, look at what you've got here. I've got the digger, digging site, you know what I mean? Like all the barrel stuff. Then you got him.
All the way from Austria, this. What better place to drink it than this trench?
Yeah.
Right. Broken all the concrete out. 2 pipes ready to connect. Pipe comes along here, round here, water's flowing now. Yes, down there, and then off to that manhole over there.